Hello guys, and in this video, I will share with you my export settings in Adobe Premiere for YouTube, which will give you a great picture in the end. For this lesson, I picked up such a fragment of the video. This is my intro for the gaming channel, which was also exported with the settings that I will now talk about. Press the combination key Ctrl-M on Windows or Command-M on MacBook and go to the export settings. Let's start with the settings. Choose the H.264 codec that YouTube advises us. As for ready-made presets, I never advise you to use them because I believe that the bitrate parameters in each preset are very small and will not give a good picture when exporting. Output name, or the name of our future video file, write at your discretion. Check the export video and export audio checkboxes depending on what you are exporting. Here Premiere Pro shows us what parameters the original video has, and here it is shown with what parameters will the finished video. Next, we go to the basic video settings. And the first thing we see here is the resolution of our video, frame rate, field order, and aspect that we leave unchanged because these settings were previously created for our project. Move on to render at maximum depth. As for this setting, I do not advise you to turn it on because with a high probability you will not see the difference in the finished video with this option turned on or off, but turning it on will greatly slow down the rendering process. So turn this option off. Go further, encoding settings. Here we are more interested in the profile and level settings. In the profile settings, we select hard, and in the level settings, we select 5.1 to set the bitrate parameters we need. And finally, we moved on to the bitrate settings. I believe these are the most important settings for video export. In the bitrate encoding menu, we select VBR1 pass, and in the target bitrate settings, we set 150. Yes, of course, the bitrate can be slightly overestimated, but I guarantee you that the video quality will be very good. Of course, if your original video was also of excellent quality. And also I want to pay attention to such a setting, use maximum render quality, which I strongly advise not to enable because it will also slow down the rendering process but will have almost no effect on the quality of the video. And tell you a little about the audio export settings. Select audio format AAC, audio codec AAC, simple rate set to maximum, and in channel settings select stereo and set the bitrate to 320. Click export and enjoy a great video. Thank you all for watching. Leave your comments what export settings do you use, and bye everyone.